Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Auto channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to edit your photo and also transform your photo into a high quality ultra HD photo quality. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload fresh content. Without any further ado, let's go straight to this tutorial. So what we're going to do now, for those that don't have CapCut, you can download. Just go to Play Store and download CapCut. Just come to Play Store. Okay, I'll just type CapCut. So that is it, because I have it already, so I don't need to get it again. So it's accent update. Okay, so you open it. Once you open it, you will see several options here. You see one option one here says edit. Another shall say template, another shall say project, another shall say. So we'll click on edit, or you can come to project and click on photos and proceed. So let's quickly go to edit. So for those that I'm using Pro for this tutorial, you can try for the free version, but if it doesn't work, it's not quite expensive, but I can also help you get CapCut Premium for 1 month or 3 months at a very affordable price. So do let me know in the comment that you need a pro version of CapCut. For just a little token, I'll give you the access to the CapCut. So that's by the way. So quickly, I'll just see. You see, we have two options here. Option one says new video. We are not doing new video at the moment. The one we're focusing now today is on edit photo. So I'm going to use one of my old photo and transform it. So I click. You can see. Let me show you what I did with this photo, and we're going to redo it. You can see, though the face doesn't look more like me because it was transformed by AI. So AI didn't know, except if I've given AI a reference image, it would have known exactly how my face looked like. But now let's proceed and I will show you exactly what I did. This I say edit. Now it will prompt me to select the image I want to edit from my gallery. So I'll just scroll through and I'll show you the exact image I used and how it were before it was transformed. This is the original image while I was in the church. You can see how blurred it is somehow. Now I'll just click on edit. So you can see enhance. I want to enhance this. You can see the quality, auto enhance. So I'll click on this good button and it will be enhanced. So now I want to smart lighting. You can see different options you can choose. You can take retro, you can take studio, you can take flash, but I prefer studio. So I want it to look more like a studio image. So you can see difference is the blurriness on this picture just shifted, but there's something I noticed. Something. The phone I was holding, I'm seeing a third hand there. So let's reset it. Let's reset it and try it again. I think it's an error. Let's reset it. Okay, let's go back. Sharpness. Can adjust sharpness. You can see a lot of things you can do with these pictures. AI remove. You can remove background, you can remove object, remove background. Let's auto remove. You can see the background has been removed, but it cropped some of my hands and all that. So I think the best thing is to use the quick brush tool. Then you just select, let's reset. Are you seeing it? So let's click remove. Oh, I think we need to invert it. So, okay, what would I supposed to do is undo. We're supposed to mark the image. Okay. So if you're okay with everything, just click on remove. Oh, sorry. Okay. What this did is to remove the object. So let's say, for instance, you saw a very good background, and you really want to use the background for another thing. This is the exact thing you do. You just come highlight the object you don't want to be on the background, and once you click on remove, it will be removed automatically. You can see the image on this background is removed. So if I want to use this background for another thing, I can use it and place another object on it. But now I don't want to remove it. So let's quickly go back and let's go to element. Can add text bubble. Let's say so you can add background, you can add images, you can add photos. So you can allow AI to do the heavy lifting for you to edit it. So I can enhance clarity. So guys, you can see how clear this image is now. I can just okay, make the image on this photo, the face, the camera, without losing its originality. So guys, you can see you can see the power of AI. You can see, guys, look at how the image I was showing sideways and now showing my front facing the camera. So guys, this is how you can transform this image to a realistic and ultra HD standard image. So guys, you can go all and all to transform further, but you can decide to click on done. So for now, I'm going to end this video here. So ensure to pause this video, or after watching this video, go back, try out things for yourself and see how it works. So you can play around with the buttons, you can play around with the options, enhance quality, AIHD. Okay, let's say Ultra HD. You can see the quality have changed. You can decide to say auto adjust, portrait head, you want to make it portrait. You can super resolution, you want to increase it to 4K. So you can see that I couldn't process image quality. Okay, I think sometimes using the mobile always give issue when it comes to 4K. So, but you can keep trying it by workout, and you can try other options, element, edit, retouch. So these are the ways you can play around and edit your photo. You can see how clear the photo is. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.